Hey guys, welcome to Tech Brew. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Cinebench. Cinebench is a really simple and easy to use CPU benchmark tool, which allows you to easily test different CPUs and systems to see how they compare to others. So the easiest way to install Cinebench is probably to download from the Microsoft Store if you're on a Windows system, or the App Store if you're on Mac OS, but you can also download directly from the site. So to do that, you just want to go ahead and search Cinebench, and then you just want to go over and to the first site. As you can see, the second site, the Microsoft Store. So I'm not actually going to do that, but I'll just show you guys how to get to the site so you can actually download it the regular way if you'd like. So you just want to go down here, and then here you have your three options: get it from Microsoft, download the App Store, or download directly from Maxon. So you just want to click download directly from Maxon, and then you'll just have the different versions come up here. So if you want to download the older versions, you can also do that, or you can just go here and you can just use auto installer for PC or Mac. And yeah, so that's really it for that. But if you want to download from the Microsoft Store, as I'm on a Windows machine, you just click that, and then what you want to do is you just want to wait for it to load, and then you can click get over here, and it'll ask you if you want to open the Microsoft Store. So I'll just allow it to open. And now that we're in the Microsoft Store, it's just gonna show the app over here. So I already have it installed on my system, so I'm just gonna click launch. You just click install, really simple, easy to install. But yeah, I mean, this app's really easy and simple to use, and I do think it works quite well for simple benchmarking, and I think it's one of the best ways to benchmark CPUs and systems. So as you can see, it shows a few of the different CPUs here, and you can change this from single core to multi-core, whatever you want to test. So like I can change this to a single core test or a multi-core test, and you can go ahead and change that, and it will show whatever specs you have, and you can run it as many times as you want to see if your device actually thermal throttles and how much. So like I'm on a laptop, so after a few tries it will obviously go down the score, but if you're on like a PC, it should stay quite stable. So thank you guys for watching today's video on how to download Cinebench. If you guys like today's video, like really simple video, and you want to see more videos like this, or even if you want to see any other videos and you have any ideas, please add them below, as it'll be really nice to see what you guys want to see, and we'll try to get more videos out for you guys. So thank you guys for watching today's video, and yeah, that's it.